Hey guys, want to see how I made this quick and easy wall decor DIY? Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as I'm looking at my vanity, I just finished making over. I realized that I needed something very simple to go on each side of the mirror. I have no decor there, and the two flowers on top are looking really lonely. So I decided to use these little hors d'oeuvre plates that I had extra. They have a pretty shape to it, and decided to use them to make some floating frames. I'm going to use 3 because I don't need a large piece for each side. And I'm going to add bling to it. I'm going to add bling wrap to it, and I'm going to use gems. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the bling wrap and the gem wrap to the size of the bottom of the plate, and then just glue them on. Then you're going to glue all 3 of the little plates together by their tips. After they're all glued together, you're going to take the gems and you're going to put a small amount of glue on the bottom of it and stick it in between of your creases. Then you're going to use some pieces of spoon so that you can put it on the back underneath the gem. You don't want it to show, so you're going to use a very small piece. And to hang it, you're going to use another piece of the spoon and glue it across the top. And that's basically it. And to hide the glue on each side of your gem, I added 2 small gems on each side. And that's it for this tutorial. Aren't they just adorable? Very simple, quick, and easy wall decor. Thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. This is what they look like on my wall. Beautiful, small, and decorative.